least 14 people are dead after torrential rain hit China's northeastern Jilin province, state media has reported, in the latest fatalities from more than a week of weather-related disasters across the country. Thousands of troops have been sent into affected areas of Jilin and neighbouring Heilongjiang to assist with the flood response, evacuations, distributing supplies, and fixing damaged roads. State media outlet Xinhua said about 2,000 soldiers and 5,000 members of the People's Armed Police paramilitary force had been deployed. As the storm moved further north, another 14 deaths were reported Sunday in the city of Shulan in Jilin province. More than 18,000 people have been evacuated from Shulan, according to state-run news agency Xinhua. Further north in the neighboring province of Heilongjiang, rivers that irrigate its fertile farmlands overflowed, submerging rice fields, destroying vegetable greenhouses, and damaging factories, state media reported. In other posts on Zhuzhou, netizens said residents weren't aware they lived in a flood storage area and the rights of the minority had been sacrificed. I'd like to know, among all the people living in flood storage areas across the country, how many of them know they are living in such areas? One angry netizen asked. Phone calls to the Hebei provincial government on Sunday seeking comment went unanswered. It did not immediately respond to an email.